Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs. Welcome to our FANS Wethu TV. It's the CAF Champions League. Orlando Pirates 4, Lioli 0. I'm joined by brother. It's really up to you.
Brother, let us pray, brother. Let's go to our knees. Brother, everyone, go to your knees. Go to your knees. Brother, Lachim. Brother, Kosi, we are praying for you. Brother, let's go, Lachim, brother. Orlando Pirates 4, brother. What do is cooking that side? Nabi left with the pots, brother. Everything including the stove, brother. And everything this side is not make sure, brother. They left the prodigal son Joshua. And we don't know what he's going to cook, brother. But he's not taking them to the promised land. Because they went to penalties. Let us wake up, brother. Brother, come.
I need to stop. Bring those eggs.
Brother, what are we called, brother? You see, brother, it's called My FC, brother.
Yes.
You see, brother, we brought them closer to the stadium.
Yeah.
That's why they won, brother.
Yes.
Because we feel for them, brother.
Yeah.
We are called Nabi.
Yeah.
Brother, Nabi is gone.
Yeah, he's gone.
We know that he took his ingredients, brother.
Yes.
Of losing.
Yes.
Because he was stage 8 of load shedding, brother.
Yes.
We brought some chemical engineer, brother.
Yes.
Called FC, brother. And they know very well, brother, that once we bring the eggs, brother, jolly good. Jolly good, brother. You see, now we brought many eggs, brother. Let me take them back before they kill me.
Did you give Bob steaks?
Bob steak can't choose some, brother. There are no teeth there. Let us come back, brother. Yeah. You know what is happening, brother?
What's happening?
Nabi is finished, brother.
He's gone.
He's gone, brother.
He's gone.
They thought that I wouldn't have content.
Yes.
Because Nabi is gone.
Yeah.
I'm still going to talk to my brother. That side I told you that I'm going to play Lucky Dube's song.
Yes.
It's called Remember Me, brother.
Yes.
Nabi, wherever you are, remember me. Nabi, wherever you are, I love you. That is the song, brother.
Yes.
You know why?
Why?
Brother Nabi has done a good workshop here.
Yeah.
Brother, he's finishing Kaizer Chiefs.
Yes.
He put them in the position where we know them, brother. And they saw that they are going back to their rightful position. And they thought that Nabi was the problem.
Yes.
But even the assistants, brother, everything is going to go, brother.
The problem.
Very much quickly.
Yeah.
But anyway, enough about that.
Yeah.
Did you see them, Bule, brother?
I did it.
They must come up. Brother, come closer.
I saw silver.
You know, I said it the last time that if you are a parent, brother, you can't advise your kid to support Kaizer Chiefs because there is bad parenting. Bad parenting. Good parenting, brother. You must tell your kids to support the only best that makes people happy.
Yes.
Brother, I couldn't sit anymore.
Yeah.
You see, I saw Muremi scoring. I was sitting, brother. I woke up. He scored. I sit. I wake up, brother. He scored. I sit. I wake up, brother. I didn't know what to do.
Yeah.
I ended up not sitting.
Yeah.
Because Muremi is giving us sweet, brother. Everything that side is sweet, brother. Coco melon football, brother. Wadu said it that my players are overrated.
He did.
Some said, hey, people are overrated. But he said those are good players.
Yes.
Mbutuma, first game brace. Brother,
if you don't know,
brother, you give Wadu. Yeah. You give Wadu a chance. Yeah. What does he do? They do not call him Die Hard for nothing. Yeah, because you can see the hand. Yeah. He's called Die Hard, that man.
Terminator.
Brother.
Terminator.
Enough about that. They do not call him Die Hard for nothing. Yes. Because he knows how to die hard on the field, brother. He knows how to kill steam, brother. He said, I don't joke. I want goals, brother.
That's right.
And that's what they are bringing.
That's right.
Some teams are going to get 9.
This is
Juna Kanye said it, but unfortunately it was from a wrong team. The Sundowns are going to give other teams 9, but no, not the Sundowns that we see. Because 9 will be in Cardozo's head when he leaves, brother. It's very early, brother. He's leaving that one. 9 will be on these ones.
Kaizer Chiefs.
Yes, brother.
Tell them, many budget.
Brother,
Many budget.
9 is coming on your side. You see what is cooking? He's busy moving with threes.
Yeah.
Threes, brother.
Yeah.
You see when you tell your kid to count and they start counting in threes, be worried because that is Orlando Pirates.
Hey.
When your child, you say count from 1, it starts from 3, 6, 9.
Hey.
Just know that is Orlando Pirates. You are in danger because when I come to FNB for a derby, brother, just expect some goals. Because there'll be trouble.
Good man.
Brother, I'm telling them.
Matsate.
Ai motlogele ke tswa Limpopo ke a lo ja marumo aka go bolela fela ke mo hlaba
O tlo mo hlaba a ka se loke.
Brother,
O tlo mo hlaba
a ka se loke
brother,
le la mafanelo ga go para le nna
you know what you said?
Last time you won winning.
bona o kwele tupa
When last did you win a derby?
ke winne ka bukijama
No. When last did you win a derby?
Yeah, not Benga.
No, brother. They did not win. We don't. Whoa, let us listen. I'm going to punch his wheels very quickly.
Yeah.
I'm going to punch your wheels very quickly. Don't run away.
Yamamo, yeah.
Bobby and Kaizer are friends.
Yes.
You see the drought for 10 years. You see, if you're my friend and you don't have a sister, brother, and I see you are in drought, brother, I'll organize something for you.
That's why.
Yes, Bobby and Kaizer are friends, so they organized something for them.
This was
brother.
planned.
Yes, that's brotherhood. It was planned to say, take it, brother. But if it was any other team, they'll still be going for 10 years and more.
we
Yes,
thank you
11.
but we took it in the name of beating Pirates.
Yes, you did not beat us. We gave it to you, brother. We gave it to them.
Yeah.
We are coming now. What do is saying, brother?
Yeah.
They do not call me die hard for nothing.
Yeah.
And I'm coming with goals.
Yeah.
That man is a walking machine.
Call machine.
Brother, he's an AK-47. What is an AK-47?
Yeah.
He doesn't release one bullet, brother. He goes in threes. He's an AK-47, brother, and he's killing them.
Yeah.
There's something that is coming.
Yeah.
They say our coach is a plumber.
Yeah,
they say he's a carpenter.
An ostrich.
Brother, he say he's an ostrich. An ostrich can see very far.
Yeah.
Unlike Nabi, that can eat like a chicken, brother.
He
sees here, brother. And the wheels are turning, brother. Everything is going sweet on our side.
Yeah.
We told them that Amstel is sponsoring us.
Yeah.
McDonald's is coming that side, is sponsoring us.
Suzuki.
Brother, Suzuki. Now, when you see a black Suzuki, people are getting scared because they don't know whether it's me, Mohammed, or Wadu. Because Wadu is yes, brother, he's moving. Because now when they see a black Suzuki with 3 tires, brother, they think it's Orlando Pirates. Moving teams with 3 goals, brother.
He runs away.
Brother, I am telling them now. Mark my words. Junior Kanye said it to the wrong team that there's going to be a team that is going to be moored 9 this season.
Yeah.
And the only team that is scoring goals and making sure that they're mooring teams with more goals is Orlando Pirates.
Yeah.
And which team is coming?
Yeah.
Nabi! On Valentine's Day, February, the month of love, brother, I'm going to open them with 9.
These guys.
Yes, brother. Everything is jolly good, brother. Everything is sweet this side. Kaizer Chiefs, you are finished. Nabi is gone, brother. Stage 8 of load shedding, you brought solar panels, but they're not working. The sun is not here, it's raining, brother.